Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous video we saw all about methods of Java. Today we will see, in this video we will see what is Java constructor, and in upcoming videos we will see all like multiple things about how constructor works, how to initialize it, how you can give arguments or parameters, how you can overload, all such things we will see in Java constructor topic. So let's start with Java constructor. So what is Java constructor? It is something, it's actually a special thing in Java classes. It looks like a method, right? We saw what is method now. Looks like a method but without any return type. So how does it looks like then? We can see or we can visualize it through its syntax, right? Like we always do. So syntax starts with modifier, then whatever your class name is, right? That's right. Whatever your class name is, it becomes your constructor name, and that's your syntax. So let's suppose we have a class. Let's say we have a class dog or fog, whatever. So if I have to create any constructor inside this class, we can create it by using that modifier public. As of now we all know that the public is a modifier and the class name is fog. So here comes the constructor and done. So here is our first constructor. So yeah, it proves like it of course looks like a method, but definitely it's not returning because we don't have any return type. Even you can see the refer the syntax, it just says modifier and the class name and the curly brace open close. That's the body of the constructor. Okay, that's one you can say feature, or you can recognize how it looks like. And it is called when object gets uh, called or created. Let's say look at created. So we will see how we can uh, call that constructor. It is used for initializing, the all that thing we saw earlier in previous videos, initializing the class fields or property or member. Right, so if you are using constructor, you can initialize your class fields as well, and when it gets called, when your object gets created. That's what a constructor looks like. And one important thing which you should always know, never forget this concept, I'm putting it as a note: all classes in Java have default constructors. So if you are not creating anything, still you have a default constructor out there in your Java class. That means whatever classes so far we have created in our class, they have the default constructor. We never saw that, but yeah, they are always there. We will prove it later, but for now, that's one of the main point about Java constructor. So all classes have their constructor with them, though you cannot see them, but still it's there. Okay, so that's just an overview of constructor, how it looks like. And next video we will see how to create that and then how to call it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video.